I was a trade expert connecting numerous products around the world. But one day, I saw the faces of workers at a large construction site and in areas dense with old vehicles. They were relying on a single mask to breathe amidst the black smoke pouring down every day. Something more important than the numbers on the import-export documents has started to emerge. Why has technology advanced so much, yet the air on site remains the same, as it was decades ago? This question became a powerful trigger that changed the course of my business life, not just a simple curiosity. I made a decision that day. I said I would become someone who creates the technology that protects the lives on site, not just someone who sells products. When I first said I would dive into manufacturing, industry experts scoffed. Why are you doing something that loses money? You should just focus on trade. Manufacturing was truly hell. A smoke collector is not just a device that fits a filter. It required advanced fluid dynamics that can withstand high-temperature exhaust gases while not affecting the engine, output of the vehicle, and perfectly absorb ultrafine particles. It was impossible with the existing methods. So I started to directly source filter materials from around the world and test them. For over a year, I led a double life, running a business during the day and wrestling with prototypes in the lab at night. Although the funds ran out and only failures piled up, I was convinced. I knew that the moment this technology is completed, it would become the new standard in the environmental industry. The core of the system we developed is minimizing pressure loss and maximizing purification efficiency. A typical dust collector puts a strain on the engine when the filter gets clogged, reducing vehicle performance. However, our product has reduced the engine load to nearly zero through specially designed airflow control technology. Additionally, we aimed for a comprehensive solution that not only filters fine dust, but also reduces carcinogenic nitrogen oxides. Through thousands of simulations, we found the optimal airflow path, and were finally able to create a dust collection device that is 30% smaller than existing products while being more than twice as powerful. I remember the skeptical looks of the workers as the product was completed and installed on site for the first time. As soon as the equipment was turned on, the black smoke that was emitted transformed into a clear, transparent state like a lie. When the site manager held my hand and said, "This site has finally become a place where people can live," I felt a thrill that was incomparable to the huge profits I made in the trading business. Afterwards, it underwent rigorous testing by a national certification body and officially recorded an astonishing purification rate of 99.9%. Now, PRGTECH's technology has become a solution that is gaining attention not only in major domestic construction sites, but also in overseas markets with strict environmental regulations. Now, I aim to combine the global network of personal trade with the manufacturing capabilities of the corporate PRGTECH. We will not just be a company that sells machines, but will leap forward as an environmental technology leader that guarantees the right to breathe clean air anywhere in the world. In 2026, we plan to introduce a smarter dust collection system. In an era where we combine the Internet of Things IoT to monitor and manage purification status in real time, we will stand at the center of it. My challenge is just beginning. Your support and partnership will complete this challenge. Thank you.